Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Friday, June 6, 2025. We'll be covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed broad strength today. The communication services sector led gains, rising 1.8% with notable upward volatility. The Nasdaq Composite Index added 231.50 points to close at 19,529.95, while the Nasdaq 100 displayed very strong positive momentum. Market breadth was decisively positive across tech indexes. The Nasdaq Composite saw twice as many advancers as decliners, with 2,042 stocks up versus 1,021 down. The technology sector showed similar strength with a 3-1 advanced decline ratio. Week-to-date returns have been impressive, particularly in communications. The communication services sector leads with a 3.2% gain, while the technology sector follows at 3%. The healthcare sector lags but remains positive at 1.3%. Among top tech performers, Palantir Technologies surged 6.5% to 127.72. Teradyne gained 4.2%, while Jabil reached a new all-time high, climbing 2.3% with notable upward volatility. Year-to-date returns highlight Palantir's remarkable 69% gain. VeriSign has advanced 38%, while Jabil shows a solid 23% return. Salesforce lags with a negative 18% return despite today's gains. Among underperformers, Broadcom dropped 5%, despite maintaining a very strong positive trend. Enphase Energy extended its losing streak to 3 days, while Autodesk and Corning showed sideways movement. Year-to-date performance shows Seagate Technology up 47%, despite today's decline. Enphase Energy remains the weakest, down 40% year-to-date with persistent negative momentum. Broadcom maintains a positive 6.5% gain despite today's setback. Tech-focused ETFs showed strength across the board. QQQ and the 3x bullish QQQ both broke upward after 3 days of consolidation. The 3x bearish QQQ hit another all-time low while showing 31 days of sideways movement. Vanguard Information Technology and VanEck Semiconductor maintained strong upward trends. Week-to-date returns have been impressive, with VanEck Semiconductor leading at 5.4%. The 3x bullish QQQ gained 6%, while its inverse, the 3x bearish QQQ, declined 5.8%. Vanguard Information Technology and QQQ posted gains of 3.3% and 2.1% respectively.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Microsoft leads the pack with 7 consecutive higher closes and a new all-time high. Meta Platforms and Amazon both show strong upward trends, gaining 1.9% and 2.7% respectively. In week-to-date returns, Meta Platforms leads with a 7.8% gain. Amazon follows with 4.2%, while Microsoft shows a 2.2% increase. Year-to-date, Meta outperforms with a 19.2% return. In semiconductor stocks, Peraso topped the group with a 9% gain. Marvell Technology showed strong upward volatility, rising 4.8%. Axcelis Technologies maintained a strong positive trend, climbing 5.2%. Week-to-date performance shows Peraso leading with a remarkable 29% gain. Marvell Technology and Axcelis Technologies follow with gains of 13.6% and 12.7% respectively. In cloud computing, Shopify led advances with a 6% gain and strong positive trend. SailPoint rose 5.8%, while Alphabet marked its 3rd consecutive day of gains, up 3.2%. Week-to-date performance shows SailPoint leading cloud stocks with an 8.2% gain. Shopify and Salesforce follow with increases of 3.9% and 3.4% respectively. In AI and robotics, iRobot surged 18.2% with strong upward volatility and 5 consecutive higher closes. AeroVironment showed very strong upward volatility, gaining 2.3%, while Teradyne rose 4.2%. Week-to-date returns show iRobot leading with a 29% gain. Teradyne follows with 8.4%, while AeroVironment posts a 7.2% increase. Year-to-date, AeroVironment leads with a 24% return. Thematic ETFs focused on AI and robotics showed broad strength today. Spear Alpha ETF led gains, rising 1.7% with a strong positive trend. Wisdom Tree AI and Innovation Fund and GlobalX AI and Technology both demonstrated very strong positive trends. Week-to-date returns have been impressive across these thematic ETFs. Wisdom Tree AI and Innovation Fund leads with a 3.9% gain, while First Trust's Nasdaq AI and Robotics and GlobalX AI and Technology both rose over 3.2%. Electric vehicle stocks saw mixed movement today. Tesla jumped 3.6% despite showing mixed negative trend and volatility. Li Auto maintained its very strong positive trend, while Polestar showed sideways movement despite very strong negative trend. Year-to-date performance varies widely among EV makers. Li Auto leads with a 23% gain, while Tesla has declined 27%. Rivian shows modest 5% growth, contrasting with Lucid's 29% decline. Quantum computing stocks surged today. Quantum computing soared 15.8%, while D-Wave Quantum jumped 13%. IonQ gained 6.4%. Applied Materials marked its 5th consecutive positive close. Week-to-date performance shows quantum computing up 21%, while D-Wave Quantum gained 14%. Year-to-date, D-Wave has surged an impressive 122%, significantly outperforming peers in the quantum computing space. Solar stocks showed strength today. Sunnova Energy led with a 7.9% gain despite mixed trends. Tigo Energy rose 5.5% amid strong upward volatility. Shoals Technologies marked its 4th straight positive close. Year-to-date performance shows significant divergence in solar stocks. Tigo Energy leads with a 16% gain, while Sunnova and Sunation have both declined over 90%, reflecting major challenges in parts of the solar sector. Leading thematic tech ETFs showed remarkable strength today. ARK Innovation ETF led with an 8.4% surge to 61.13. ARK Fintech Innovation ETF achieved a one-year high, climbing 6.3% after breaking out of a 3-day consolidation period. SPDR, SandP Software and Services, ETF, and other tech-focused funds maintained strong upward trends. Return metrics highlight impressive weekly performance. ARK Innovation and ARK Fintech Innovation both posted notable week-to-date returns exceeding 8%. ARK Fintech stands out with a substantial year-to-date return of nearly 20%, significantly outperforming its peers in the longer term.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.